So I just finished up doing that public speaking event and going down to the thing downstairs, and I'm exhausted. But I am back at the hotel room in between kind of like a little shift. We are about to go head down to go on, I think, that boat with all the the tables on top. So we're gonna head down there. Apparently this says Gilligan Island theme, which unfortunately most of us don't know as influencers what that is. I think I've seen it on TV before, but this is like Gilligan's Island theme boat cruise. Here is just unbelievable. That's my hotel room right there. Give credit to this camera for being so good in low light. Hold on.
Good one.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Have a good night. Thank you. Look, there's a bird on one. This is where we took the next. That was a very long day, really good time on the boat. I had such a blast talking to everybody. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for the night. We have an event in the morning. I'm exhausted, so I'll see you guys in the morning. I do have to be honest, I am kind of sad that I'm leaving today. I had some friends that I was gonna go meet up with, but they already took off for the airport. So I am sad that I have to leave, but you know, it's okay. It was a good business trip, and it still was work for me for filming for Shell and doing the social media conference and all that stuff. So this is the first time I've ever taken a business trip while owning my own company. And it's kind of like a test for me for when I go to Car Week, because I think Car Week may be a little bit shorter for me because I still have to run my social media company. But this gave me kind of like a pre-thought of like, maybe this is something I have to skip this year, because running a business from your phone is fun, but when you're traveling, it's much harder. Just made it over to Heinz Field where they have an event today, and go check out some cars real quick.
A red one.
Yeah, the same cross brakes too. That's the engine. Same one.
Well, then that's not.
Attention, restrooms are under the bridge. That is the transition point.
Catch you later.
Okay.
Good to see you. One's been sitting in the garage with a cover on it because we have the other two vehicles. Yeah, we have a couple of others.
Thank you.
Thank you. Race for the pool and the rods.
Burroughs Welcome, the drug company, and
It's also a good overarching shot up here. I don't know. I haven't. He has a tank. I don't know what I can appreciate that.
Just by being
Thank you.
This height, 60.
See ya.
Oh, they have right at the. I'm not. Oops, sorry.
That's George on it.
Take a picture. My dog, they should. Did they run out? Did they run out of time? Into your both sides of the side bowl.
I know, right? Thank you.